Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a mini detail for a bagged Impreza show car. So stay tuned, stick till the end, see how we do this detail.
So Tony, that Impreza, when did they get the bags for it?
I believe they got it like about 1 or 2 months ago, so not too long ago.
So the last time I was here, we went to that same house.
Yeah.
Did it have it back then, or?
I don't believe so. I don't think so. I can't remember.
So with the bags on the car, does that change your approach on how you detail it?
Just a little bit. It actually helps because when we get there, we'll raise it all the way up. We'll put it on the max height setting, and then it helps with cleaning underneath the fender wells and getting all the way to the tire, because before it was on coilovers, so it was just really low, and it'd be a little bit hard to get underneath the fender wells because it was pretty much blocking it with the tire. And now we can raise it all the way up and look in there, clean thoroughly, rinse it thoroughly, and then after we're all done with the detail, we can lower it back down to right height or all the way slammed to the ground.
Got it. So do you know about this hood? Is that like a special paint job, or?
That's actually a wrap.
It's a wrap?
Yeah, it's a partial wrap right there. And this whole middle piece of roof, hood piece is a partial wrap. Also right here on the headlights, a wrap as well.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
So this customer, you said that this car is like a showroom car?
Yeah, like a show car.
Because I saw I guess the owner's boyfriend, or I don't know if they're both owners, they were like lowering the car and lifting the car.
Yeah, so the car has bags, so they can slam it to the ground and then pick it back up to drive it regularly, and then they can lift it all the way up for like clearance, so it doesn't hit the side skirts and front lip and diffuser and whatnot.
Got it. It's a pretty sick car, man.
Yeah, tastefully modded.
Fully modded? What do you mean by that?
Tastefully modded, so they put wheels, they put things that they're interested in and make the appearance of the car look better.
Got it. And you're just doing a mini detail?
Yeah, so this is our maintenance client. We do this one like pretty much every month.
Yeah. Cool. And are they like sponsors or something? I see a lot of like
I believe
decals.
I believe they have a couple of sponsors that help them out with getting these parts. Yeah, I believe so. I think they have a couple.
God, are you one of their sponsors? I saw your sticker back there, dude.
Sorta. Yeah, in a way.
Yeah. So did you meet these customers like in the car community, or?
I believe they got me off of Instagram.
Oh, okay.
And then they just hit me up one day, and then ever since then I've been servicing their car pretty much every month.
Got it. So they're pretty loyal, ideal customers?
Yeah.
Have they referred you to like their car friends or anything?
Oh yeah, the one we did previously, that's literally one of their car friends.
The Outback?
They're in the same group.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
It's on the Subaru family then?
Yeah, basically.
Nice.
Subaru, team.
Oh, that's their...
Yeah, right there. That's pretty much their team.
Oh, okay. So how much longer do you have on this detail?
We'll probably be done in about like 15-ish minutes. Wheels are done. We just got to do a quick wipe down the outside, make sure there's no drips, windows, check all the windows inside and out. He's finishing up the wipe down on the inside. And then I'll probably lower it to take a few pictures, maybe videos, post them on Instagram, and then that's about it. Bada bing, bada boom. And then we're out of here on to the next one.
Cool.
Oh, and we got to pack up.
Tony, have you detailed other show cars besides this one?
Yeah, we've done a couple already.
And what do you recommend for show cars when they're going to take them to the shows? What packages do you recommend?
So it really depends on the condition of the vehicle, because sometimes these show cars, they'll be at shops for long periods of times and get really dirty, but other times the owners will usually upkeep on the maintenance. But for the most part, what most show car owners are looking for when they hit us up is usually their main go-to is our mini detail plus our engine bay detail. Those two together are usually the perfect fit for most vehicles that are like in good condition, most show cars that are in good condition. condition. But if they're in bad condition, sometimes they'll go for like, sometimes some of them will need headlight restoration. A lot of the time, some of them will need level 1 clay, wax, and seal. That'll add on. There's a couple things that they could add on. Some of them will need full interiors. It just really depends on what they're looking to get done and what the type of show they're going to, how important is it to them. Because we've done cars for like SoCal Z, Supers in Vegas. What is it? There's NISFest. What's this? There's SEMA. There's those bigger shows, and so it really just depends on the owner, the vehicle, and the show, and that's about it. And then go from there.
Got it. So do you know when they're gonna take this car to a show? The next show?
This Friday.
This Friday?
It's a car meet, but it's like a little show. Usually every month it goes to like a meet, and so they get it cleaned up for the meets. But the shows, they were at Slammed Enough. They got other shows that they're going to. They're planning on going to. There's one in September, a big Subaru show. I kind of forgot the name of it already, but yeah, one of Subi Fest. There we go. They're planning on going to Subi Fest. So there's like specific like shows for specific vehicles, and we'll do a couple cars for those type of shows.
And have you ever taken your truck to one of those shows? Just post it on there?
I have not. I've wanted to, but been so busy with other stuff, and like lately with all this COVID stuff, a lot of the shows got canceled during the COVID thing. So maybe this year, but who knows? Well, it's a possibility though.
Yeah. So how's your detailed job time like run down with Joseph, or?
So the goal is, between both of us, we're supposed to be trying to get them done between 45 minutes to an hour and 15 max for cars.
Yeah.
Lately it's been a little bit hard to like manage that type of time frame. We've been doing probably like an hour and a half. Mm-hmm. Well, like we're getting better and better by day, so I'm hoping that like hopefully by the time it hits May next month, we'll be pretty solid knocking these out roughly about an hour and 15 per car, and or 45 minutes to an hour and 15. So yeah, that's like the time frame that we're aiming to hit for all the many details.
Got it. Cool. And he's been pretty reliable compared to your former workers?
They've all been pretty reliable.
Yeah.
They're all been pretty solid.
New customer, Tony?
He's a subscriber. He sees my YouTube video. Yeah.
And is he gonna book you for a detail or not?
Maybe in the future. He wanted to get his BMW done, so he was interested in getting headlight restoration and then possibly paint correction, ceramic coating for the future.
Oh god, cool. So he saw your truck. Mm-hmm. And he's like, yo, where's Tony?
Yep. Right here.
So Tony, you said you saw some stains on the wheels that weren't there the last time you were here?
Yeah.
Do you think you'll be able to remove them, or?
Not in today's detail, not really necessarily included in our main detail, and it'd be pretty time consuming to try to remove from all 4 wheels.
Yeah.
So if they were interested in getting them like removed, we'd have to like do it for the next service and book in that extra time. Yeah. And we'd have to try something out and see if it even removes it. But I believe the owner is planning on just getting them redone. Okay. They're starting to it's I believe like maybe a year old or something. So they're starting to get a bit, I guess, dull. They're not as shiny as they were when they were brand new. Oh, okay. And they have a couple of imperfections like that staining that's showing there.
Yeah. And you said it's on all 4 wheels?
Yeah, it's on all 4, but mainly on the back too. It's more noticeable.
Got it. And when you see things like this, you tell the customer immediately, or? Yeah,
I'll pretty much let them know after the detail service is complete. Anything that I see. Yeah. But it also depends on the client, because I have some clients that don't want me to let them know unless it's like really, really bad. Oh, okay. Because they don't, it kind of like, when you let clients know about things like this, it's money that's gonna have to come out of the pocket if they want it fixed. Yeah. It's for the most part. Or sometimes if it's something small, I'll just take care of it without letting them know, and then it's like they'll either realize it later on, or they'll just never know. Got it. And it doesn't put any stress on them or whatnot.
So guys, just finished the Subaru.
Yes, sir.
Where are we off to next?
Norco.
Got it. And how long did this take you?
The Subaru?
Yeah.
Let me see. We got here at about, it was about an hour and a half.
Got it. Cool. All right, well, see you at the next one.
All right, guys, well, there you have it. That's how we detail this bagged Impreza. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys detail show cars. And remember, if you like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.